case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1973, Jessie Lide passed away, leaving behind a holographic will that granted a life estate in certain realty to Evelyn White, the executrix of the estate. However, the defendants, Lide's nieces and nephews, argued that the will only granted a life estate to Mrs. White, with the remainder of the property to be given to them under the laws of intestate succession. The case, White v. Brown, went to court in 1977, and the Chancellor ruled in favor of the defendants, holding that the will only conveyed a life interest in the home to Mrs. White. As a result, the property was sold and the proceeds were distributed among the beneficiaries. Mrs. White and her daughter, the executrix, filed an action to obtain construction of the will, but the court ruled against them due to the will's unambiguous language. The Tennessee Supreme Court, however, interpreted the will as conveying a fee simple absolute in the home to Mrs. White, thereby voiding the restraint on alienation. The court preferred an interpretation that disposed of the entire estate reasonably and consistently with the provisions of the will. The case was subsequently remanded to the Chancery Court for further proceedings consistent with the court's opinion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.